Welcome to the dotMatrix tutorial. After the patterns load, you can press the Play Stop button in the lower right-hand corner to start dotMatrix. The dotMatrix has 8 different parts indicated in the different colors. Black is the first part, and pink is the last part. You can select and deselect any of the boxes in the grid by pressing them. The volume for each part is indicated to the right of the dotMatrix. Select the part on the left. After selecting the part on the left, you can select which parameter you'd like to modify, such as pitch. Each circle represents a 16th note slice. Because it's one measure long, 4/4, there's 16 circles. The active circles will light up as the note is played, kind of giving you a guide as to where you could place your changes. You can drag your finger across the circle area to make interesting wave-like formations. There are 7 different parameters you can change in this view. Velocity changes the volume per step. Pitch changes the pitch per step, 1 through 200. 100 is the original pitch. The start time changes the start envelope length per step, 1 to 100 milliseconds. I'm just going to solo the yellow part really quick so that we can hear the changes more clearly. Length changes the length of a sample per step, 1 to 100%. Reverb changes the send to the reverb effects unit per step. The values are between 0 and 100. Delay changes the send to the delay effects unit per step. Pan changes the panning per step. The values are between 0 and 100. 50 is the center, 0 is left, and 100 is right. When solo is pressed, all of the other parts are automatically muted. When you press mute, it'll either mute or unmute an individual part. Clear clears an individual line of the matrix and also resets any parameter modifications. Open opens any CD quality .wav or .aif file for the corresponding part. When dotMatrix is installed, it creates a folder on your SD card called dotMatrix. Scroll on down to it, you can find a folder in that called Samples, where I've included some samples for your ease of use. You can select any of those samples. You can also change the BPM or the shuffle for each pattern. The sliders are located in the lower part of the screen at any time. They will both retain their value until the pattern is changed. To change the delay and reverb effects units, press the delay/reverb button at the top of the screen. These may have one setting per pattern. When the pattern changes, their settings also change. There are 5 different parameters you can change. The first one is the delay feedback. The second one is the delay in the number of 16th note steps. The third is reverb decay, crossover, and dampening for the reverb unit. You can toggle back to the matrix by pressing that button again.